So you have been tapping your screen to actually earn all this airdrop, and they eventually pay you to your Tonkeeper wallet. So how do you actually transfer it out to actually convert it to your local currency? So I'm going to show you exactly how you can transfer your Toncoin from Tonkeeper wallet to Bybit. So ensure you actually watch this video from beginning to the end, because I'm going to show you the step-by-step tutorial how you can actually do that. So, and the first thing you have to do is to ensure you get your Bybit account actually approved, so you can actually use any of your identity to get it approved. So you are going to come to this asset option over here, click on this asset option over here, and you are going to actually click on deposit. Click on deposit, and you are going to choose deposit crypto. You know, like we are not using P2P over here, we are using deposit crypto. Click on deposit crypto over here, and you are going to search for ton. So click on this particular search button, and then you are going to search for ton from the option, then search. So as you can see, we have ton over here. Click on ton to actually copy your wallet address. Well, you can see we are going to choose ton network. So we are using ton network for this particular transaction. So they said the minimum amount you can deposit is 0.000001. So I did that. Is one of the reasons why I like ton network. So I'm going to click on OK. Then these are the information you are going to use to actually receive your money from Tonkeeper wallet. So let's go back to our Tonkeeper wallet, and you are going to click on this Toncoin over here. Click on Toncoin over here. As you can see, we have send option, we also have receive option, but you are going to click on this send option over here. Click on send option. You are going to go back to your Bybit account. So as you can see, we need these two information, which is our wallet address and our tag. So copy your wallet address first, copy your wallet address, then come over to your Tonkeeper wallet, and you are going to paste your wallet address over here. Paste your wallet address, and the second thing you are going to need for this transaction to actually be successful is to go back to your Bybit, then actually copy your tag. Copy this number. This number is very, very important for you to actually receive your money. Copy it, then come over to your Tonkeeper wallet, then paste it over here because it's actually required. So the next thing, and as you can see, we have our wallet address, we also have our tag. So the next thing is to click on continue. So we are going to choose the amount you actually want to transfer to our Bybit account. We are going to choose 1 ton, which is going to give us, okay, let's continue again. Continue. As you can see, these are the information that is related to our transaction. They automatically pull out the exchanger we are using, which is Bybit. So, and 1 ton is equivalent to $6.59, and transaction fee is going to cost us 0.01 for this particular transaction fee. So we are good to go. Let's click on send over here. Click on send, and you are going to see how this transaction is going to went through. I'm going to confirm it with my fingerprint, and we are done. So this particular money is going to be transferred from our Tonkeeper wallet to our Bybit account for us to actually do P2P to withdraw it, or any way you want to actually withdraw this money. So I'm going to pause this video, wait for you to actually drop in my Bybit account, then I will show you how easy it is.
A few moments later.
So guys, after waiting for about a few minutes, as you can see, this transaction is successful. So I'm going to go back to my Bybit account to show you the transaction details. So I'm going to click on this notification button to show you. So as you can see, deposit confirm. When I click on it, you are going to see the transaction details over here. As you can see, I actually received 1 ton to my balance. So 1 ton was successfully deposited to my balance using Tonkeeper wallet. I hope this video actually help you out to figure out how you can send your money you have been tapping, you have been earning from airdrop to Bybit to actually do P2P. If you want to learn how to do P2P on Bybit, I have a video. I'm going to link it inside the video description for you to watch. So thank you for watching this video. If you love this video, ensure you subscribe so that you will see the kind of video on my YouTube channel. Thanks, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.